Hey guys, and welcome back to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're simply gonna look at how to change the language of Craigslist interface. Now let's begin. Well, on any browser of your choice, simply type craigslist.org and hit on enter right now. Well, do note that in order to change the interface language, you guys don't need to be logged in. That's a relief. As you can see, the language right here is in English, and right now I want to change the interface language to something else. Let's focus on the right side of the screen. At the very top of the right side, you'll see a drop down like this. Initially, it's saying English. I'm gonna click on this button right here. Then as you can see, multiple languages popped up. Simply select the language that you know. I'm gonna select this one right here. And as you can see, the interface language has been changed. Well, do note that you can similarly do this by browsing to another continent as well. In case you want to change it back to English, simply follow the same steps. Hit on the drop down button right here, and from here select English. And guys, that's it. That's how we change the interface language of Craigslist. It's quite easy. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.